they're going to build a school, they take it from the NHT. And you want to so we need to draw. You need a partner. Need them. Draw. We want to partner. Draw. Right. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
We want our money. NWC worker, they want their money. The minister said, you know, remember we? At 25 years old, them who always so we money, we say we want we money.
This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Workers at the National Housing Trust today walked off the job and crowded outside the organization's head office in New Kingston to protest a long-standing delay of a job evaluation which was finalized last year. According to the frustrated employees, despite the completion of the evaluation in 2021, there has been no implementation and communication has been little to none. The workers are the third group of civil servants to walk off the job in 4 days. On Tuesday, over 2,000 National Water Commission workers took industrial action over an outstanding reclassification exercise as well as the ongoing public sector compensation review. 2 days later, the island's air traffic controllers also went on strike over similar concerns. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has urged public sector workers to desist from taking industrial action, which he said only further complicates issues being faced. Holness said the government is trying to resolve the very complicated issues and has urged civil servants not to make the situation more complicated than it already is. In other news, more details have emerged regarding sexual misconduct allegations against a male teacher at a prominent high school in St. Anne. The 24-year-old teacher has been charged by the St. Anne CIB with 1 count of buggery, indecent assault, and grievous sexual assault. Reports are that the teacher got involved in a relationship with a 15-year-old male student at the school. It is alleged that another minor, the male student and the male teacher, met up in a hotel room in Ocherest and indulged in a tryst. However, a parent of one of the male students suspected what was going on and trailed the student and discovered the debauchery. The parent then made a subsequent report to the police. On the crime scene, a woman was shot dead and her father-in-law assaulted during a robbery in Linstead St. Catherine this morning. Reports are that the two were at home when 2 masked men armed with handguns kicked in the back door, claiming to be police officers. The men reportedly took the father-in-law outside and questioned him. He was then brought back into the house and the woman brought outside, after which loud explosions were heard. The father later discovered the deceased, who has been identified as Serena Needham. Several items were also stolen from their residence, including 2 televisions and a cell phone. And 7 people who were left stranded by floodwaters near Portobello in St. James on Thursday were rescued shortly before 9 p.m. The 7 individuals were reportedly airlifted to safety by a Jamaica Defense Force helicopter. Firefighters and police personnel first responded to the scene shortly before 4:30 p.m. when they received reports that a group of people were marooned on a patch of land. The group, 5 of which are college students, were trapped due to the Barnett River overflowing its banks as a result of heavy rain that pummeled the city earlier in the day. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.